Okay, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the YG 7x7, the QiYi mat, and some Nebula. So let's get right into it. Let's first take a look at the mat, I'd say. So let's just put this to the side and open this mat. I'm pretty sure that this is called some kind of like QiYi mind map or something to do with something heads, or I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh wow, that is so nice. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got really nice colours. It's quite big actually, but this is a very, very nice mat to just have. Whoa. Oh, and there's holes here as well. Because I also got this, which I'm pretty sure, with these holes, I'll be able to clip in my stack mat. So I'll quickly maybe try and do this. Right then, I think I've put them on right. They are a bit, they move quite a bit, but hopefully that's on correctly. And if I just get my stack mat, where is my stack mat? Right, found it. I think it should, yeah, just goes on perfectly. Wow, I actually did do it right. So yeah, now I can just time my solves really nicely, and now the timer moves from the mat, so yeah, it's very, very nice. Right then, our next thing, probably just do the 7x7 now. Enough time waiting. Let's quickly just get this. There we go. I'm a very, very big fan of the MGC Big Cube lineup. They're always so nice and really, really cheap. And the boxes also are always really nice. They always have a really nice design. Let's just quickly take this off. There we go. Right, let's open it up. Oh, wow. So I've got the 7x7 and this unnecessary bit of plastic at the bottom. I'll just throw that away. And then just put this away now. Then we just have the accessories. I'm pretty sure it's just the classic. Oh, actually, there's a bit more. What's this? Wait, what? Is this like a cube stand? So there you got the screwdriver. It's a bit hard to see with the light. It's just a screwdriver, spare magnets, and springs. And here, I think this is, I don't know, this looks like a, yeah, this is a cube stand. Yeah, but we don't want that, so yeah, just open this up. Oh wow, it's a little bit sandy out of the box, but I normally find that it's always like that with MGC cubes, but when you break them in, they're really nice. Yeah, this will definitely take some breaking in. It's really, really sandy right now. But wow, this is now going to be my biggest cube in my collection. Let's just do a parity. Oh, so not used to these huge layers. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Wow, this is really smooth. Wow, I'm very, very impressed with this. As I am always, because I'm pretty sure from 4x4 and upwards, I just use the MGC cubes because they're always so good. Yeah, it's already a lot better actually after just a couple of turns. Wow, I'm actually really, really impressed with this. For a 7x7, I mean, I don't have a 7x7 yet, so I don't know really what to expect. but this, in my opinion, is really high quality, as MGC cubes always are. Oh wow, the inner layers are amazing. Okay, and lastly, for unboxing, we have just some Nebula lube, which other than weight 5, this cube actually doesn't have any lube in it. Oh, it's got a bit of weight 5. But yeah, we'll see how Nebula fits in this. This feels so small now. Oh wow. Right, so let's open this up. And I think in the beginning I'll probably only do probably just 2 drops on each side. Right then, so let's just open this up. There we go. And just put this up to the camera. I would say let's just do, what does this say? It says, it's about hard to see, but it's 4 drops, break in and enjoy. So just do 2 on this side. If I can keep this open. 1, 2, 3, we'll just do 4 here. And 4. That should be good. Hands are a bit dirty, but let's just work this in. I would say this cube has gone really, really gummy, which I think is a feel that I really like. It's got a really satisfying sound to it. I don't know, I just really like it. It's so smooth. I would say it slowed the cube down a little bit, which is, although not really, it's made it really, really gummy and nice. And the cube is, I would say, a bit more controllable. It's still really fast, but it's a lot more controllable, which is really good because I don't like cubes out a bit too fast. So I'll just quickly just put this back on. Okay, and yeah, we'll do a quick solve with the new mat. It's gonna be really annoying because I'm standing up. Let's see. Not too much inspection. To look. Yeah, okay time. This cube is actually, it's a lot quieter now with the lube, which is, I really like that. I don't really like when the cube is too loud. And it's really smooth. And probably got to get used to the turning now because it's actually quite a bit slower. Yeah, I would say that's about it. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the 7x7, the mat, and the Nebula lube. Let me know any other videos you would like to see. I certainly got some ideas for the 7x7 coming up. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.